world is becoming more regulated, whether people like it or not, but in every sector there is regulation or governance, almost every sector.
What we're going to talk to you about today is an opportunity that's not available at any university, any other university in the United States. And it's a program near and dear to many of our hearts. We've been working on it very hard, and we're happy to share with you the premier law and technology program in the country. And I really sincerely believe that, and I think we're pulling together some innovative things that no one else is doing. And our basic position is, whatever your interest level is, we have a program for you.
So Introduction to Patent Law is really the law school class on patent law that's been converted into an online format. It's intended to be a course that will give you a really good overview of the U.S. patent system, and we're hoping also this spring semester to get people who are not at Penn, not physically at Penn, to also register for the course.
In the tech space in general, what's fascinating to me is law is looming larger and larger. And this really began from the law side as from a conviction that we as lawyers need to understand the technology better. What's really emerged that's fascinating me is the technologists are understanding that they need to understand other things beyond just the technical aspects. It used to clear out a room of engineers by talking about money or politics. And the money part is the technologists are sick of losing their businesses as they start them. But I also see time after time engineers not really taking legal requirements into account when they design technologies. Professor Vogley, would you like to say a few words about technology law and ethics?
This is a broad look, but we try to go as deep as possible at the actual issues that are addressing technology today. How and why we regulate, privacy and security, national security, intellectual property, trade secrets, and so we cover all of these areas with specific ideas in mind about how this is actually going to apply the technology. As we live our lives somewhere, in the middle, trying to make things work. So we look at it from that perspective. Many technologists are developing a keener interest in the ethical obligations they have as technologists.
For example, there's the whole ethical debate of what do you do with the data from when you can track everyone's movement from every time they tap a smart trip card on a metro rail system, and you know everywhere they get on a train or a bus. So these are all of the questions that I was interested in and came to this session, I believe, last year or perhaps the year before. Found out about the ML program, and it was a great opportunity to get just the right amount of legal education necessary for someone who does not want to go into the practice of law, but wants to go into somewhere that will interact with the law on a daily basis.